Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna try to make this a very quick video so I don't take up much of your time. Today we're gonna be replacing our windshield wiper sprayers. See, I already have this one off right here. Okay, so I was trying to get one, but I couldn't get it to look similar, so I went AutoZone and I bought this one. This universal replacement wide angle windshield nozzle, whatever. So we're gonna be trying this out today, okay? Windshield wipers. So let's open the hood, right? This YouTube magic, open the hood. With the hood open, some of you guys will have this exposed, but if you have something like that, like a cover, it just comes off with some little plastic clips that are holding it together. Well, first thing you wanna do is you wanna follow your hose, right? And that's where our problem is. So we need to take this part out right here, take that part out, and then replace this one. So pull it out of the hose, and then you can push the old one out of the way, and grab a screwdriver. Here's my handy dandy friend, and let's see its clips. There we go. And then clip this one. Move this wire out of the way with the hose. Sorry guys, kind of hard. There we go. And then come around, and our old puppy comes out just like that. Okay. So my other one, this broke. So let's open this package. All right, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do it the way the YouTubers do it. Right? All right, so he's got these little things. Oh, I get it. Gotta put these little washers on here. The little washers. Seem plasticky, flimsy. Hope it ain't by garbage. I'm gonna be attempting to put these on here. Let's see. I just don't know what order it goes in. Like this. Alright. Let's put this on here. Screw it on. There we go. So as long as it's on there, I guess. And we connect the hose. Let's just hope it works right there. Let's go for the other side. Alright, here we go. We'll make sure that it's pointing. There we go. Alright, now I need to get my pliers and get that shit off the hose, remember?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. There. Okay. It just crushed in there. Let me just cut that little end piece off. Alright. That should work. And they're on there. All right, moment of truth. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum.
That boy got out of the water.
Got out of the water. Awesome. Alright, let's close this. Let's see if it sprays the windshield. Oh.
That's excitement on his face, buddy. Success.
Success. Let's see. I've been riding like this for so long. That's not working. It's not working.
It's spraying the water, but not in the place that you need it.
Can we adjust it? Let's see. Where's the screwdriver? You have one, but it's not flat. Oh. Did you have this one? Yeah, right? Yeah. Okay, let's use this one for now. Let's see if I can adjust. Yeah. I think I just broke it.
We can't make this shit up, guys.
Alright. I'm going on eBay. I'm ordering these OEMs. Fuck this. Let's see what happened though.
It's better.
It's better.
Break the other one.
I'm gonna break the other one. I think you gotta break them in that way. Alright, let's see. I thought I could adjust these. Turns out you can't.
It's good.
Oh, I think you can.
That one looks like it's facing a lot higher now.
Yeah.
That one too.
Alright. Maybe it wasn't so bad. Hold on, let's see.
Oh!
Alright, I think they can be adjusted.
It's very good. Oh, it's too much. It's too little. Yeah.
Yeah, they can be adjusted. It's like a little swivel. Oh. All right. Okay, let me try now. This one needs to come down, and that one needs to go up. That's because it's all or nothing with this shit, though.
Bless you.
Let's see now. Okay, they gotta spray a little bit higher. Okay, this left one is good. Is this the right one that I'm not comfortable with? Let's see like this. I was able to adjust them. You can stop it, Michael. And after struggling for a while, as you saw, I finally got comfortable with the spraying direction on these. So I gotta say, job well done. Finally got this shit fixed. Thank you for watching if you stuck around. I thought that was a funny video. I thought I broke them too, but unfortunately, not unfortunately, but turns out, luckily, I didn't break them. So they were good, they work, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.